You're smart. You know you're smart. And that's actually the problem. Because right now, your intelligence is working against you, not for you, against you. Smart people fail in ways that average people never do. And I'm not talking about failing to get things perfect. I'm talking about failing to start anything at all. Let me explain what's happening inside your head. When you're intelligent, you see everything, every angle, every way something could go wrong, every variable that needs to be accounted for. And while that seems like an advantage, it's actually a trap. Average people decide at 60% certainty. They just go. Smart people wait. They wait for 90%, 95%. Sometimes they're still waiting. But here's the thing. Nobody tells you 95% certainty doesn't exist. It just doesn't. The real world doesn't work that way. So you end up analyzing everything to death. You procrastinate. You research more. You plan more. And nothing ever actually happens. This is what I call the competence trap. Your intelligence traps you inside your own head. Think about it like this. You want to start something, a project, a business, anything. Your brain immediately sees 47 different things you need to figure out first. Audio quality, branding, market research, positioning. By the time you've thought through everything, you're exhausted, so you don't start. Meanwhile, someone with half your IQ just started. They launched with something basic. They got real feedback. They iterated. They're ahead of you now. That's what happens. Smart people overthink. Average people just do. But that's just the first trap. The second one is perfectionism. And this one's different because it actually damages you, not just your productivity, you. Perfectionism creates stress, constant stress. Your nervous system stays activated. Over time, that wears you down. Your body experiences more wear and tear. And the worst part, even when you hit your standards, you just raise them higher. You can never actually win. The goalpost moves every single time. That's the trap. That's how it works. Then there's the third thing, and this one's going to make sense the moment you hear it. Success isn't about being the smartest person in the room. It's about being the most socially intelligent person in the room. And that's where smart people completely miss the mark. You think everyone processes information the way you do. So you over-explain everything. You assume logic is going to win the argument. You're shocked when the less qualified person gets the promotion. But they're reading the room. They understand emotion matters more than being right. Most people don't care about being right. They care about being understood. They care about being included. They care about feeling respected. That's the blind spot. Smart people miss it constantly. So here's what you actually need to do. When you're about 70% confident in something, stop planning. Just act. Not 80%, not 90%, 70%. That number forces you out of analysis and into reality. Your first version will be rough. Your second will be better. By version 5, you'll have something good. But you have to start at version 1. The second thing is constraints. Give yourself artificial limits. Set a timer. Limit your research time. When the timer goes off, you decide. Done. That's it. Stop waiting for perfect. And with people, stop thinking about how logical your idea is. Think about how it makes them feel. That's it. That one shift changes everything. Pick one thing you've been analyzing. Set 30 minutes on a timer. Work on it. Don't research more. Don't plan more. Just do it. When you finish, you've broken the cycle. That's the move. That's how you get unstuck. Your intelligence isn't your identity. It's a tool. And right now it's working the wrong way. Make it work for you instead.